now you're gonna see the whole car. What up, guys? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. Dave.
We're back.
We're back. We're back.
We're tired.
We're tired.
Yeah.
We're back on the island. We're back in the shop that my car got taken apart. The wrap is done. They're just putting it together. Why don't we go and see what this wrap looks like?
Let's see it.
You fired up?
I'm fired up.
As fired up as you can be?
Yeah. No, I'm excited. It's gonna be cool.
We've been up since early again taking flights, so let's go check it out. Oh, yeah. Whoa. What do you think?
It's nuts. Looks awesome.
It turned out really good.
Yeah.
So we went with gloss instead of satin. Door jams are done.
Yeah, that looks really good. The whole thing looks amazing.
Should we show them?
No. This is for us only.
All right. I'm just joking.
Can you imagine?
I can do, I could probably do a really cool shot from right here, because now you're gonna see the whole car. Boom! Look at that. You guys. Wow. That looks so sick. It turned out so good. I love it. Like, I literally love it. The gray. Oh. And awesome. Oh, and we have a touch. Little touch. What's the touch?
Some blue on the headlight.
That's right. Now, might be a little darker than I can get away with, so we're probably gonna take that off and go with a light blue tint. But for now, we got some crazy monster blue headlights. They look pretty wild.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, comment.
Love to hear your thoughts.
Now, what do we have coming still? We still have
Lots.
we have the wheels.
Wheels will be here in a few days.
Right, just after the weekend. So we'll be revealing the wheels, putting the rubber on, throwing those on the car. That's gonna, as you know, wheels completely change the look of a vehicle. Then we have the new wing. So the new wing is like...
I can't even describe it. When I first saw it, I was like, that's the one. That's the one.
It's on its own level. And it'll completely change the look of this car, because it's a big wing. We got a big wing.
It's the biggest wing I've ever seen. I've seen a lot of wings. I've seen a lot.
It's not the biggest wing I've ever seen. I've seen bigger wings.
No, you haven't.
I have a bigger wing than you.
You saw a bigger wing on an airplane.
My wing's bigger than your wing.
It doesn't, quantity doesn't.
But behind closed doors, I'm
We're fighting
afraid
again.
for your love.
New wing, chassis mounted, and we have to go to California to get it, right? So California trip is on the horizon.
I'm down.
We're gonna come down, see you guys. I think this is gonna be the time that once the wheels and the wing is on, it's pretty close to being complete. We're gonna do a meet and greet down there.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
Where do you guys want to meet down in the Los Angeles area, Orange County area? Give us some locations and we'll pick something. Drop it in the comments.
Actually,
Dave and I will go through it. What?
This is what we'll do. I'll put a post on our membership website, dailydrivenexotics.com. I'll put a post on there for everybody. Leave a comment there where we should go.
Okay, yeah.
Check out the website.
That's easy. What else were we gonna
You know
chat
what
about?
I'm really impressed about, guys? Ironically,
What?
it's how high this car's off the ground on jack stands. Like, in my mind's like, how did they get up that high? Look at this.
Actually, yeah, that's kind of
It's
crazy.
impressive. And like, you gotta think about it. You can't just jack up a car on one side this high. It's like a 4-corner plan.
Yeah, look at that. That's actually a cool shot right here.
It's levitating.
It is levitating.
You do the wrong button in that thing. I wish I could run and slide underneath that car right now. Will you get mad at that?
Pay $1,000 to do.
I'll do it if you let me. The insurance company might not like that.
It's a pretty sticky floor.
Yeah, it's a pretty sticky floor.
You ever remember seeing the movie Mall Cop?
Yes,
When he runs and he goes to slide and he's like...
I could do a roll. Just do a roll. I can army crawl it.
Well, yeah, the details on this are really good. Like, look at the mirrors.
Yeah, mirrors look good.
They crushed it with all the wrapping, the mirrors. Everything's looking great. Can't wait till it's all complete. You got to hit the road, bro. You got to get back to wifey. I got to get on with the rest of my evening.
Thanks for another fun trip. Oh my God, you did that on purpose. I'm not the awkward one anymore. Let's do it right. Let's do it right.
Come on, let's do it for them.
Okay, do it for them.
We're gonna do it for you guys. Okay, ready?
Slow-mo.
Okay, slow-mo.
Slow-mo.
Turkey, turkey.
One more time, proper this time.
Okay.
This time.
You're such a
Why are your
weirdo.
hands so sweaty?
Because
Is
I'm
it the
holding
wing
a
talk? All
camera.
that wing talk?
Because I'm on the cam.
All right, I'm out.
You're out. I'll walk you out.
All
Let's
right.
go.
What's happening next week? I got some stuff going on.
BMW. We're taking on the next part of the M3 E46 build.
Yeah, there's actually
Bodywork.
a lot of stuff happening to that car.
Let's go have a look at the car real quick.
Okay, we haven't really shown the car as far as how... What's up, DDE family? This is my 2002 BMW M3, the cheapest one in Canada.
Excuse all the crow noises.
That's
They're
not
on,
me.
They're on top of the building.
I'm trying to film a movie
up.
here. It's a manual, and only 10% of E46 M3s are manual, so it's kind of rare that way. Car's in really rough shape, but we're going to totally transform it. We're doing all the body work on Monday, Tuesday of next week. Get all the dents out. We're going to fully wrap it. We have 2-piece wheels going on, not these ones because they're disgusting.
These ones are so brutal.
Whole new interior for this car. We'll talk about that later. So right now it's kind of like, let's get it pretty looking, let's get it running good, and then we'll make it faster and we'll make it do crazy stuff.
Awesome. So Monday, hopefully some body work.
Yeah, Monday's a body work.
Before you go, fired it up. Give me a rep. Oh, that sounds awful.
That's the M3 sound, man. They're tinny by nature.
That's awful.
This car has 6 individual throttle bodies. Fun fact for you guys. Yeah.
Peace.
Dissipating away like the cluster of smoke in the background. Holding my young soul.
All right, we're gonna hang out. Wait for the finishing touches to be completed. A couple of fun facts, if you didn't catch it in my last video, and I don't remember if we even put it into the video, but in order to take the mirrors off so that the vehicle could be wrapped, the door panel has to come off and the glass has to come out because the bolts holding the mirror on are behind the glass. So this gentleman has done a phenomenal job of taking all the mechanisms and everything that is involved there out of the car. So the guys at Graphic Effects could effectively wrap the car. A lot of little details, so like the side skirts underneath here. We took the wing off that was on here again because we got the new one coming. And other than that, we're pretty much done. So I'm just gonna hang out. We'll do a couple of beauty shots in slow-mo, a little montage with some cool music, and then we'll show it to you when it's fully finished.
I think I might just collapse here. Let my feelings go. Cause in the long run it's better than letting my pride show. And I don't need this place anymore when I know it makes me insecure. Fading away like
Done like that. He says it so calmly. She's done, guys. Bring her down. Head home and have dinner. I'm starving. Guys, he had a crazy idea. We were chatting. I don't even know if I should tell anybody about this, and I should just seriously. We were chatting about, because of all the classic cars here, what might be the upcoming, generation of cars that would be most in demand, I guess you could say. And I was suggesting, like anything with a manual gearbox, anything with a gated, naturally aspirated engine and a manual, maybe even gated shifting gearbox, like a Countach or Diablo, which we already know are coming up hugely in value. And we were just joking because I said, they're not going to make those in these cars. He said, why don't you put one in here? I was like, what'd you just say? And he goes, why don't you put a gated manual gearbox in this car. I was like, how would you, I mean, you guys know me, I'm not mechanically inclined. I said, how would you even do that? He's like, it's doable. And then I was like, could you imagine 3 pedals and a gated shifter? The only Huracan on the planet with it? I think that would be a hit. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Very well, a genius right here. I love it. So cool, it's like slammed. It's probably what I could do if I got like some real cheesy air ride in here. Down she comes.
Trying to forget you, I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you.
Okay, let's wrap up this vlog. It is a different day. I didn't finish last night. I brought the car out. There it is. All done. Now we still got wheels, we got a wing, we got some more stuff we're doing. You guys stay tuned. This is only the beginning of the build. Thanks for watching this. Smash that subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up on this video. And let's do a quick walk around to wrap this video up of the brand new Wrap.